Hi viewers, welcome to Coolfair Tech channel. Today we are going to see how to control an LED with any IR remote. First we will get the HEX code of any 5 button in a IR remote, and then we will enter the HEX code of that 5 buttons in the Arduino code and upload it. Okay, let's start. The materials required for making this project are Arduino Uno board, IR receiver, breadboard, any IR remote, any 3 color LEDs, at last few jumper wires. Now first we want to find the HEX code of the keys to set the codes into the code to make it work. This is the circuit diagram to receive the HEX code from any IR remote. You can download it from the description also. Take a breadboard and connect IR receiver to it. And connect the 3 male to male jumper wires parallel to the IR receiver. And connect it to the Arduino board. The ground pin to the ground. VGC to 5-volt pin. And the signal pin to the pin number 11 on the Arduino board. Now connect your Arduino board to the PC and upload the code. Now first we want to get the HEX codes from the remote, so we should first upload the code to receive the HEX codes. This is the code, and I have also gave a link to download this code in the description. Now upload it to the Arduino board. Select any 5 keys in any IR remote and get the HEX code of the keys. Now we can get the HEX code for 5 buttons in a IR remote. Yeah, we have got. Now we want to set the code into the code as follows. Now open the LED controlling code. I have also gave a link to download it in the description. And now you want to paste the HEX codes in the Arduino code. First paste the first code in the Arduino code as follows. And second code. Third code. Fourth code. And at last fifth code. Now upload it to the Arduino board. This is the circuit diagram for controlling LED with IR remote. You can download it from the description. Now connect the red LED, green LED, and blue LED. Now connect the ground pin to the breadboard. And now take the male to male jumper wires and connect the ground pin of the LEDs to the ground pin of the breadboard. Now connect the positive pin of the red LED to pin 5 see like this. Positive pin of the green LED to pin 6, and for blue LED is to pin 3. Now you can test it. Red, green, blue, all off, all on, all off, and like this. In the next video we can control electric bulb using relay module.